Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at question number 8. It says, a teacher writes the algebraic expression 24c plus 5m plus 1999 to represent the cost of supplies she purchased for her classroom. She bought 24 packages of colored pencils, 5 packages of markers, and a beanbag chair. Classify each statement as variables, coefficients, or terms in the expression. So basically, here's the expression enlarged. In class, we've talked about all of these vocabulary words, the idea of a variable, a coefficient, and a term. So probably our best approach, rather than get intimidated by everything that's here, let's just look at the expression and identify all 3 of these parts, and then I think it's going to be easier for you to recognize which boxes you have to check. Now remember, a variable is the letter that's holding the place for some value. So I see a variable here, and I see one here. So the C and the M are variables. All right, now let's talk about the word coefficient. Coefficient is the value that's being multiplied with a variable. So I see a coefficient here, and I see a coefficient here being multiplied with a variable. So the things underlined in green would be coefficients. That's this, and it's this. All right, so the next thing we have to know is what are terms? Terms are typically separated by either an addition sign or a subtraction sign. So I'm going to circle the terms in yellow. This is a term, this is a term, and this is a term. So now let's use what I have here to help you identify which thing you need to check off. M represents the price of each package of markers. So is M, see where we underline, or we actually have a yellow, or rather a blue arrow pointing at it. What is M in this case? What did we say it is? We said it's a variable, right? So you're going to check off variable. 24 represents the number of packages of colored pencils. So what is 24 in this case? Look at the number 24. What did we say that it is? We said it was coefficient, right? So you're going to check off coefficient. So go through the rest of this the same way, and there's another question on this form that's very similar to this, and I would recommend handling it the exact same way. Take the expression, write it down, identify all the parts, and then go through the checkoff list and decide where things fit. All right, good luck finishing that up.